on our backs. Pull both knees in for full wind pose, or apasana. Just hold your legs. Don't try to force them into your chest. Instead, relax and feel your lower back release. The breath we're going to use in this routine is a belly breath. So as you inhale through your nose, feel your belly expand and push out. Then as you exhale through your nose, feel your belly contract and fall. Breathing this way within each posture will help massage your organs, move blockages, and relax you physically and mentally so your digestive process can fire up. For half wind pose, extend your left leg long, down on the mat, and hold on to your right shin. Maintain your belly breath and allow everything else to relax, from your toes to your eyebrows. Pull your left knee back in and switch sides. Extend your right leg long, down on the mat, and again, this is a gentle pose, so not much effort is needed. Focus on your belly breath and relaxation. Pull both knees in, settle into your lower back, then gently roll over onto your left side into a fetal position. Keep your knees tucked in close. For a gentle but efficient twist, reach your right arm up and open your chest and shoulders to your right. Allow your right arm and possibly your shoulder to rest on the mat. Try your belly breath here for optimal cleansing and rinsing. To undo your twist, just curl up on your left side again. Keep your knees tucked in, roll onto your back, then onto your right side into a fetal position. Reach your left arm up and open your chest and rest your left arm and maybe the shoulder on the ground behind you. Relax everything and force nothing. Curl up on your right side into your fetal position. Then use your top hand to press up to seated on your mat into a seated position. Just cross at the ankles. Place your hands on your knees and inhale as you gently lift your heart and chin. Then exhale to tuck your chin and cave the chest. Again, inhale to open the chest and belly. And exhale to close the chest and belly. Just one more time. Inhale, lift and open. Exhale, cave, and close. Great. Come back to center and extend your legs long in front of you. Bend your right knee and place the sole of your right foot outside of your left shin. Place your right hand on the mat behind you and hug your left arm around your right knee to help you gently twist to the right. Use your inhales to lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, try twisting a little bit deeper. Inhale to sit up tall. Exhale to twist gently. Then come back to center and take a quick counter stretch to the left. Now to switch sides, first switch legs. Right leg goes long, left knee bends, place your left foot outside of your right shin. Plant your left hand behind you, hug your right arm around your left knee. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist to your left. Keep breathing full and deep, and feel the expansion and contraction through your belly. Come back to center and take a quick counter stretch towards your right. Then back to center. Separate your feet mat distance. Lower down onto your elbows, and just lower your knees to the left for a couple of breaths. Now bring your knees back to center and lower both to the right. Bring both knees back up and just go side to side like windshield wipers, as slow as you'd like to go. If it feels better, you can lie down on your back while doing this. We'll meet there eventually. From your back on the mat, pull both knees in for full wind pose and lengthen your lower back. For happy baby pose, grab the inner arches of your feet and spread your ankles open. The idea here is to flatten out your lower back, so if your hips are peeling up, try grabbing onto your ankles or knees instead. And take a couple of deep breaths wherever you are. For half happy baby, release your left leg long down on the mat. Place your left hand on your left thigh to make sure it stays grounded, and take 1 or 2 big breaths. Reach your left hand across to grab your right knee, then reach your right arm straight out from your side and pull your knee across the body for a supine spinal twist. Be as gentle as you'd like to be and focus more on creating a deep and slow breath than forcing your body into a pose. Make your way back to center and find your traditional happy baby pose. Then for half happy baby, extend your right leg long down on the mat, place your right hand on your right hip, and breathe. Reach your right hand across to grab your left knee. Then release your left arm straight from your side, pull your knee across the body, and breathe into your supine spinal twist. Come back to center.